Now, the hearing into Aryan Khan's case is currently underway in the Mumbai Magistrates Court. Aryan Khan is currently in court with the NCB now, seeking an extension of Aryan's custody. Claims more time needed to decode the case. In fact, the NCB says Aryan and Arbaz need to be confronted with peddler Anchit Kumar and a foreign national who already have been arrested by the NCB in the case. Lawyers now seeking permission for Aryan's family members in court. Now here's a big development coming in from court with Divyesh tracking that right outside the court there. Divyesh, NCB now seeking Aryan Khan's custody until the 11th of October. Does that mean it's Aryan Khan alone, or will this also extend to the others arrested in the case? 16 of them, including Aryan Khan, who currently stand arrested. Will that mean the NCB is seeking an extension for all 16?
Nabila, as of now, the remand that has been submitted, the remand copy that has been submitted is for 8 accused, which includes Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha also, who are the first 3 accused to be arrested in the cruise burst case by Narcotics Control Bureau. Narcotics Control Bureau clearly stated that the 17th accused arrested in the case, Anchit Kumar, needs to be confronted with the arrested accused, and that is why they have sought extension of NCB custody till October 11th. As of now, this is the third time that Aryan Khan and others are being produced in court seeking NCB custody. Earlier, twice they were produced in court where the court granted initially a single day's custody, and after that 3 days custody till the 7th of October. Which ended today. Today again, when they were produced, NCB officials, the NCB lawyer, to inform the court that they need extension of the custody till October 11th for the accused, as one Anchit Kumar has been arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. This Anchit Kumar's name and details were provided by Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant, following which he was apprehended by the NCB. And now NCB wants Anchit Kumar to be confronted with Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant, Munmun Dhamecha and other accused involved in this case, and that is why they are seeking furthermore 7-day custody for 4 more days till the 11th of October. Additional Solicitor General Anil Singh is to appear for NCB. He was delayed, and the NCB lawyer informed the court that he was due to arrive any moment in the court, and after which the proceedings could start, the arguments could start in the case. As of now, initial information that has been provided to the court, remand copy has been provided to the defense lawyers of the arrested accused. There is also a staffer of Shah Rukh Khan who is present at the court, watching over the proceedings at the court. Also, she's met the lawyer and Aryan Khan at the court while they are being produced in court. Court will hear arguments from both the sides. Remember, defense Arbaz Merchant has already filed for bail in the court, so his bail plea will also be heard by the court. Aryan Khan is being represented by advocate senior counsel Satish Mane Shinde, who will argue. Initially, he had argued that Aryan Khan wasn't found in any possession of drugs. He was not found with any kind of drugs. But NCB pointed out that there are several WhatsApp chats and messages which were recovered from his mobile phone, and this led to information that there were talks about procurement of drugs, there were talks about consumption of drugs, and also there were some suspicious transactions that were found on the phone which need to be probed. That is what the NCB had informed earlier last time when Aryan Khan was produced in court. Now Anchit Kumar is the 17th accused arrested in the cruise burst case, and he, as per the NCB, has been named by Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant, following which he was apprehended from Powai locality of Mumbai. Also, he needs to be confronted with the accused. That is what has been informed in court as of now.
Give us an insight into who exactly is Anchit Kumar. Anchit, who is currently now the man in focus who's been arrested by the NCB. Who is this person and what kind of contact he's had with Aryan Khan and co? Have they exchanged messages on WhatsApp? What really is it?
Nabila, that is yet to be known. That will be informed in court once the arguments start. Then the NCB lawyers will inform the court what kind of information is there regarding Anchit Kumar and how was he a contact of Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant.
All right.